Good morning, Group 52. It's true. We've all made some pretty terrible mistakes in our life. And it seems like the closer people are to you, the harder it is for them to forgive and forget the things that you've done. Just think, most people have at least one family member that's done something so bad, you feel as if you could never forgive them. And for some of you listening, you are that family member. Sometimes the sins we've committed make us feel so bad that we kick ourselves out of the community, where we don't feel worthy of love anymore, where even when others try to forgive us, we reject it because we know the things we've done are not worthy of forgiveness. But I encourage you today to drop your knowledge and lean on the Word of God. For Romans chapter 5, verse 20 tells us, where sin abounds, grace abounds the more. You see, you can never do anything so bad that God would stop loving you. You could never do anything so bad that God says, let me kick you out of the community. You see, God is the one writing your story. And for all those who love him and are called according to his will, he's working on a wonderful ending for you. So put your faith in God, knowing that you're worthy of love and forgiveness because that's the gift he has for you. God bless you, Group 52. Dig deep and forgive those around you as you receive your forgiveness and have the best week of your life.